Friends, you are quite known to the topic. It is from Honeysuckle for class 6 ABC. How the dog found himself a new master. This is for class 6 ABC and it belongs to the book Honeysuckle. You know it better. At first, the dog lived in the forest who had nothing to eat. He had to wander here and there in search of food, but he could not get it properly. He went everywhere but could not get his food in a proper way, so that he decided to have a good master who could be the strongest animal on the earth. First of all, when he wandered out, he found a fiercer wolf, a very big wolf. The dog thought himself to be his master. He proposed the wolf to be his master, and the wolf accepted it readily. But he could not live with the fiercer wolf for a very long time. After some time, when he saw a very big bear who could defeat the wolf, he chose the bear as his master. And he lived with the bear for a long time, or not a very long time. For a very short period, he lived with the bear. After some time, when he saw the bear hiding himself behind a thick bush, after when he sniffed a lion in the forest, he was very scared of the lion when the lion roared hard, thinking the lion the strongest animal on the earth. The dog chose him as his master and he served the lion for a very long time. You know it better, friend. Strongest man or strongest animal can give shelter to the weaker ones. So the dog lived with the fiercer lion for a very long time. But once upon a time, when he found the lion sniffing, and he told the dog to hide himself behind a bush, he was very surprised to hear it, because he thought that the lion was the strongest animal in the forest. But the lion hid himself behind a thick bush, because there was a man moving in the forest. The dog at once decided that the man would be the strongest person, strongest creature on the earth, so that he decided the man to be his master. And since that moment, since that period, the dog is living with the animal as a loyal servant. This is how the story ends here. This is the story of how did the dog find himself a new master. Thank you.